So, reactors, we're going to check out Michael Jordan and Scottie Pippen defense in the 1992 playoffs. Let's do it. Okay, reactors, welcome back to the channel, the Nuclear Reactor, the reaction channel where all the reactions go nuclear. Before we get into this video though, if y'all are a sports fan, go over to my sports channel, Ring Culture, link in the description. But back over here playing the Nuclear Reactor, y'all know I believe every action deserves a reaction. And over here, we are very reactionary. Make sure y'all like and comment down below. That's how y'all push me into the algorithm. And then I'll go get them with my content, hit them and fit them and sit with them. Subscribe and hit the bell notification so y'all can be notified for every time I upload. And I upload a lot. Share my videos and hype my channel. So y'all know that my favorite playoff series of all time is the Bulls versus the Knicks in 1992. In fact, I did a reaction to Michael Jordan's 1992 series against the Knicks. So I felt like we should look at Michael Jordan and Scottie Pippen's defense in that 1992 playoffs, because as well, y'all also know that Jordan and Pippen is my favorite duo in NBA history, and they are who I consider the best duo in NBA history at the same time. So, and y'all also know that I'm a defense guy. I love defense, and that's one of my huge problems with the NBA today, that the defense is on the back burner, except for a couple of teams. So, knowing all that, my reactors, let's react, shall we? Pressure one-on-one and pick and roll defense. Let's do it.
Chicago Bulls that are a little tight and knock the Miami Heat, which is a major surprise.
Look at the way they move their feet.
And basketball, you've got Horace Grant at 16 who's exceptionally quick. You see a lot of this with Cleveland also too. They like to bring Larry Nance or Hot Rod Williams up just to make teams use shot clock.
Good defense, Mike.
Jackson with 5 seconds to shoot. 3, 2.
Good defense. Look how intense that defense is. Oh, full court press.
And again, the trap now in the pass, Mike. The Bulls would turn it on and off.
Got him.
And they've been very.
The Bulls are 7 for 7 from the floor, except for Jordan, who's 0 for 2. There's been an assist on every one of those field goals.
See, but they're keeping him on long jump shots.
Look at how Jordan and Pippen, they are up on that man, but they also roam a little bit too, and they're also connected by a chain. Look at this. Look at how Jordan just tracks his man. That's insane. Good hard foul.
Right spot, let him get a good look at the basket. He can shoot the open shot as well as anybody in the league. There's the double up. And the
Look at the way they play defense. It's absolutely insane.
Crossing underneath. There's the pass off. Now, had he just shuffled the ball over, you don't see Oakley. He's 58.
That right there, that kind of defense is what the NBA is sorely missing now. Look at the way Jordan and Pippen, they move their feet with the defender. But you want to see during these defensive highlights how the Bulls cover for each other as well, and they're all on the chain. This is what Jordan demanded from his teammates, that they play hard every night on both ends of the floor, because remember, the mantra, especially back then, was defense wins championships. That's largely been forgotten in these times, but I think it still holds true. To me, it does. Look at this. Look at this switch off. Scott gets back with his man after switching off for a second, just to cover for Jordan.
So the Bulls have come out here. You can see Michael Jordan right now bodying up, physical.
That would be a foul nowadays, the way Jordan reaching in. Good defense, Mike.
Because Elo will be a primary guy handling.
In the first quarter, the Cavaliers led the Bulls in one stretch 20-6.
Look at the defense.
Here's Jordan with the steal. And he's fouled by Chicago, 23.
Mike. He all over Clyde Drexler.
Scott Williams, when he got up in the air, didn't know whether to kick out left high, kick low right, or then decided to bet.
Penetration, and not only does Michael have speed, he has size on him as well.
Good defense. He probably should have shot that a couple seconds
Ewing
earlier.
held him. You can lead him to the basket, but you can't make him catch the pass.
That's correct.
The kick out to Jackson on the drive. Now back to Wilkins with 5 on the shot clock.
That was good offense too, though.
Rebound Pippen.
Transition defense, very important. Oh, he walked.
Ew, Scottie.
24 minutes. We want this game. This is not a game that we want
Look out! Look, he up on him.
win this game.
Go around the screen. They trapped that screen. That was beautiful defense.
will throw in. Michael Jordan opening up on
Oh my! Pippen hands is so fast.
piece of it. Pippen trying to save, but he's when Price came out in Cleveland on Monday, he was not looking for his shots. He was just looking to give his club a lift, which he did over a 30 inspirational check back in.
Look at the way the Bulls play defense.
It out. Sanders and Jordan gets it down again. Pippen is hanging, and Pippen this time is able to.
50% from the three.
Here we go. Jordan leaning towards that screen so he can't go around it. Look at the switch off. They didn't give them anything there.
With Mike Matthews as he heads to the front court.
Get back, Pippen.
Buck Williams. Second quarter, they have hit 9.
Look at the way that the Bulls are so interchangeable.
Shooting first quarter. Drexler.
Did he trip him?
By Pippen.
The quick move.
No trip. Just great defense.
A long one, and then Pippen.
Grant Long against Livingston, and there
Got it.
open, but blocked and blocked again. Bulls by 3, 5:42 to go in the
Scottie Pippen. That's how you move your feet. Look at this.
Moving his feet beautifully. That is shoulder squared. There's the foul on John.
E.J. Armstrong has checked in for the first time. One of the heroes for the Bulls Thursday night starts. And it's for the first
Look at how Jordan is covering low so he can't get the ball down to Ewing, but also he's long enough to contest the shot. Obviously, in today's NBA, Jordan wouldn't play that far off because today's NBA, they will shoot a three, and they prefer to.
Squared. There's the foul on John.
But this is good, great defense for the time. Look at this.
for the first
Look at
time.
this.
One of the heroes for the Bulls Thursday night starts. And it's Cavaliers with a
Good way to get around that screen, Mike.
It up to Nance. Shot clock down to 3. Down to 2. Elo has to Defensive player of the year last season. Pippen is now guarding Nance.
Good defense, Jordan.
Brandon with it. Played by Jordan.
Good way to jump out to that screen and get back.
Williams went behind the back.
Yes.
What Chicago does is very
I love this. This is great defense.
Quarter zone, put a lot of receivers against one defensive back. They put 2 people in respective areas against one defender, and then he's got to make a decision. Whichever one he doesn't.
How the hell did he get his hand on that?
One defender, and then he's got to make a decision. Whichever one he doesn't. Gates quickly to avoid the early deficits they had in the last 3 games and stay out of foul trouble.
Anthony Patroons, who won the CBA. And
Look at Pippen. Look at the defense.
important experience for me to win a championship at any level. Livingston.
Start looking for turnovers and steals.
Well, we saw it against Miami in the second half last week.
Get that out of here, X-Man.
Earlier this season.
And 2 guys who really don't come out to fight, but come out to play basketball.
Elo with the
Defense is insane.
with the ball. Larry Nance coming through with 25. Hot Rod Williams with a strong game off the boards and 16 points.
Good switch off. Good way to get back.
Here's Nance. Lost it. I'm certain that is on Shaquille's mind.
This is what defense looks like, ladies and gentlemen. Good defense, Mike. How the hell did he get that? Look at Michael Jordan. Yo, that's crazy. Oh, I love this one right here. I remember this. Jordan ain't had no bag, right? Look at this.
Needs the break.
Look at this. Jordan reads through the defense to get a dunk.
Edwards as it's stripped by Jordan. Needs the break.
Insane, bro.
Kevin Edwards, when he penetrates, not reading. He planned ahead. They closed off the gap. Now Michael Jordan's free to come down and do his thing. He's so dangerous in transition. Now you foul him.
10-second shot and game clock differential. McDaniel hard to the hoop.
Can recall the slow start in game 1 on Tuesday when
Good defense.
Patrick Ewing was able to turn it around in the second half and finish with 34 points, 16 rebounds. They double up. 62, 46. 4 minutes gone by in the third. Nance trying to shake off Pippen. Rebound Williams.
Nope. I did a reaction to Michael Jordan lowlights, and one thing I mentioned at the beginning of my reaction, it wasn't going to be that Michael Jordan was just slacking on defense. He was just going to get beat. That's just what happens to some players. Jordan played against some of the greatest players in NBA history, so sometimes he got beat. It wasn't a result of him just being lazy or nothing like that. Michael Jordan competed on both ends of the floor. Now, I'm sure every player has an instance or two where they don't get back on defense or where they have lapses, of course. But when you're a huge competitor, it's going to be way less of those than you just simply getting beat by another great athlete. And as you can see in these defensive highlights, that Jordan and Pippen are hustling, but they also have the other 3 players on their defense hustling too, because that's what leaders do. They enforce that you are going to play hard no matter what. And I love seeing stuff like this. Defensive guy myself, you know.
Bulls 54.
Look at this.
The Cavaliers 48. 4 minutes gone by. The third.
Good defense, Pip.
It is unusually warm here, although not.
Bro, you're not getting around Pip like that.
The card is back by the dressing room where Chicago 112, Portland 101, 2:45 to go in the fourth. And the call against his position is Pippen there before the body contact. It's such a close, hard call.
Think about summer vacation.
Jordan jumping around the screen.
Steve Smith being hounded by Michael Jordan. Smith, the rookie out of mid.
Good defense.
Anthony had Xavier McDaniel, couldn't get him the ball. Showing great patience for a rookie.
Yes, he is. He's made some pretty good decisions.
Oh, good defense, Mike.
Chicago just absolutely scrambled the game. They've gotten it completely out of their offense.
Completely out of that offense.
Plenty of time here now. You have 8 seconds.
Good entry pass to Williams.
Mark Price spent all of last night at the Cleveland Clinic. We chatted with him earlier, and I must say, did not look too good and said he was not feeling well, but would give it a shot. Chicago trailing by 5.
And Jordan that time turned opposite the way he had been going in game 1 on that fake jump.
Good defense.
Kersey.
An assist and 5 rebounds. Doing what he has to help the team win.
This is Rice guarded by Pippen.
Good rebound.
Now looking for Ewing. Cartwright pushing him away, then fronting him. Ewing coming to the other side. Starks loses it.
Well, the Bulls 75 and Knicks 68. 2 minutes gone by in the fourth quarter. Wilkins.
Cleveland will be shooting the penalty on
Look at, wait. Look at how the Bulls keep switching. No, I mean scrambling. Watch how they scramble. Switch back. Look at that defense. They know when one of their men get caught off how to let's say Jordan gets in the middle and leaves his man a little bit. They know how to switch around, rotate. That is just great defense. Look at this. Look at this. This is championship defense.
While the Blazers are coming on.
Whoa, what? Scottie Pippen.
Reverse right there by Drexler that lost the ball.
To Askins.
Rice for three, partially deflected by Pippen, and we might expect to see him going to the line more this next 7 minutes.
Absolutely. Now you got Anthony in the ball game also too. Instead of Mark Jackson, Anthony played well. Let's see if he can take them to the finish.
Horace Grant took up Jordan's slack and got back. See how quick that was? Horace Grant picked up for Jordan on that screen.
Yes, he was tired. He probably still tired today.
Pippen, good defense, Pip. Good defense, Pip. Good steal, Mike. That man-on-man defense is crazy.
Cleveland yet to score in the fourth quarter. Bulls with a 12-0 edge in the fourth.
Up on the basketball and then the double team in the back.
Get that out of here.
Drexler had a good shot by.
Well, you know, you pay the price.
That's why they won 6 championships.
They decided to pay it on the front end. They went 0 for 7.
That's why they won 6 championships. I mean, look at this.
That was a tough sting.
What's going to happen too when Ewing touches the ball? They're going to make a strong double team on him. They're going to get the ball out of his hands.
See Mike roaming a little bit.
Daniel, powerful move. Pippen with a block. 5 to shoot.
What a block by Pitt.
Daniel, powerful move. Pippen with a block. 5 to shoot, and now Chicago
Going to the drive to spot the very physical play of the New York Knicks. Wilkins, way off. Throws the air ball.
The way they move their feet, as soon as their guy go, they like right in front of them. Even if he switches back between the legs, they're not that far behind. Plus, they're so long and athletic, they can still get back far enough to smack down the ball or go up. Just absolute mind-boggling defense these dudes play.
Only caused by the injuries of some of the key guys.
Look at Jordan.
They stayed with their nucleus. What they knew was eventually going to help them win a lot of basketball games. And it takes a lot of guts and credit to do that type of thing with the pressure.
He could have hit that. He should have hit that.
To provide the help.
He flustered.
Averaged 5 free throws a game to steal by Chicago. Pippen leads.
Oh, good defense.
Free throws. There's the double team. Ewing all the way across the court. Starks thought about
Mike was ready. Oh, he tried it.
three up there off balance.
Doesn't deviate a whole lot from game to game when it gets to crunch time. They're giving him the minutes right now to prove it.
Wilkins with a strong move to the left.
He almost made that though. That was tough.
New York Knicks 7-game series.
You can't pick up your dribble that far out. You're going to run some continuity.
That defense, they collapsed on the hole too. Like if good defense, that was a foul too. That was an offensive foul. He was holding Mike. When the Bulls, when the offensive player goes to the hole against the Bulls, they contract too. Good defense, Mike. Look at Pippen.
There's the big trap.
See how? Wait. Look how Cartwright comes out and Horace Grant switches over. Now these two guys got this whole side of court. Absolutely insane.
And you can see he's definitely way off on the shoot.
That's tough. That's how you on the chain. The defense is on the chain.
2:20 left in the third. Portland with the ball down by 9. Drexler for 3.
Screen roll, so keep that in mind the last minute of the game here.
Get back. Jordan was too far under that time. He should have Stark should have hit that. Good defense, Mike.
Jordan leading the way in scoring when you consider the fact that 29 of his points have come in quarters 1 and 3. Not bad for just a half a game.
Scott Williams, you got to get back. They was all over him though. He couldn't get. He saw the guy open, he just couldn't get it over Jordan's hands.
Bulls defense extending all the way out to half court.
Yeah, they pushing him out to half court. This is incredible.
Now 4, now 3. Gotta get it up. McDaniel put somebody right in his face.
They got them all out of sorts. Look how fast Jordan is. How quick he is too.
Shuffle. Scott Williams replacing Craig Hodges. Don Starks allowed to penetrate to the front court. And that is tied up by Scott Williams. Shot clock at 7. Nance from deep. Air ball. Shot clock at
Look at the defense by Pip.
from deep. Air ball.
Help defense. That was 16 minutes of man-to-man and pick-and-roll defense. Insane. Let's see what the help defense look like. We already know it's going to look good because these guys are on the string.
53.
And Chicago got the Trailblazers where they want them.
Good help. Good help, Pip.
New York's into a pretty good rhythm.
Ewing facing the basket.
Look at the help defense.
Pistons' hands as quickly as they can after Chicago scores so they can get into the half-court offense. That time, 17 seconds, but
Jordan came out of. Look at Jordan.
scores so they can get into the half-court
Good
offense.
defense, Mike.
17 seconds, but Jordan with the steal.
Wilkins able to foul him.
Some types of something. Clear it out. He's already had that performed on his right knee.
Oh, wow. Jordan got caught out of position, but Pippen took up the slack. Jordan got caught gambling.
The Trailblazers where they want them. Just playing random offense.
Ronnie Cycley, the former Syracuse.
Damn. Scottie.
B.J. Paxton and MJ were basically the offense tonight.
Good help. Good help. Good way to get out, Grant. Good help again, Pip.
Angle posting, Livingston.
They're so intelligent on defense.
Away by Jordan.
Foul situation. You're shooting the penalty. You cannot be launching all of these long jump shots.
Good defense, Mike.
Kirkworth, Robinson, and Williams now up front.
Scottie Pippen just covered a lot of ground.
Robinson, 3-on-2.
Ew.
Rice, good move.
Oh,
man.
right. Good move.
Offensive board for Rice.
Wonderful second effort.
Good move.
Pippen all the way.
Rice, good move on Pippen. Oh, Jordan stepped up. Good defense. I didn't even notice that the first
Wonderful
time.
second effort.
Recycling.
Good defense. Mike came back and helped again.
Passing, they've got to get him the basketball.
There's Ewing waiting for the double team. 7 to shoot. He has to force the shot.
6-4. Ewing wanted to take it in the double team and the steal from Pippen. Fouled by.
This is what happens now when he puts it on the floor. From the top, they're going to come get him right here.
Yep.
Patrick has got to be very, very.
Damn.
Kept alive by McDaniel.
Good defense, Pip.
Some steals and deflections. Go right after Price. Try and force
Elo with a wild shot. Here's Paxson.
Paxson.
You
knew that was going in.
The Portland Trailblazers just at their speed.
Good defense. Good defense. Good help, Jordan.
3-on-2. Pippen with the change of pace.
Duckworth was vacated at the bottom and Jordan came over to help.
Their fourth two-point lead of the game.
He was vacated under the basket. I didn't even see what happened just now.
With their fourth two-point lead of the game.
Pippen.
That was Pippen the steal. Livingston, Pippen, and Jordan.
Ew, Mike with the leaner dunk. I love the leaner dunk. Damn, Pippen got... Sheesh.
The Cartwright shot, so all he has to do is go up with it. So when you got the switch, you go to the mismatch.
Back to Ewing. In the paint. Jordan almost got the block.
The Bulls are leading. Shot clock at 5. 2:45 remaining. And the first half. Pippen with a steal.
They just wreaking havoc, bro.
Here's
Jordan.
77 and the Cavaliers 71. John Battle goes, at least he's listed at 6'2".
Ew, Scottie.
Between the Bulls and the Portland Trailblazers is everybody's cutting when their man is being double teamed, but when Duckworth is being double teamed,
Jordan's right there. He got rid of Pippen, but Jordan was right there. Oh, good defense, Scottie. Oh, I remember this. Jordan would go under the basket and dunk it. Good help defense, Mike.
The post up again of Mark Jackson. They feel good that he can post. Someone's got to protect the backcourt, though.
He was waiting for the double team. It wasn't coming. Pippen comes away with a big rejection.
Take a foul. You got to take a foul. Don't let Pippen get inside.
Damn, good kick out.
Jackson from downtown.
Yo, you took too long to shoot that, bro. I mean, you had an open shot. I mean, good way Pippen to hustle back, but he should have shot that earlier. Good defense.
In game 5 was stripped. Pippen, what a change.
Ew! He did a change of pace dribble on him.
took the ball in a little too deep on his dribble penetration. And
Look at this. He holds up. Go again.
Makes some things happen off the dribble. Turns the corner on Sanders. No defensive help. Wow.
Mercy play by Pippen against Drexler.
Good defense, Jordan.
Have an illegal defense. Normally, Ronnie Saki doesn't draw double teams in this team.
Damn, good defense. Look at how he roaming. Look at how Jordan's roaming. That's insane, guys.
Jackson.
You know how much energy it takes to do this? To play defense like this? And play offense the way they played offense?
He has 31.
Damn, Pippen.
Wrapped up inside, 6 to shoot. Elo double team. He stepped out of points for me.
Robert Pack, the rookie from University of Southern California, checking in.
Get that out of here.
At 6'8", simply no physical match for him. 9 on the shot clock. Glenn Rice into the paint. Jordan with that patented behind the back steal. Armstrong.
Damn, what a shot.
Always go back to it in the playoffs whenever we want to.
McDaniel, he was stopped.
Look at how many times they both started jumping. Look at this. Once he got down in the paint.
McDaniel, he was stopped.
Defense so good because
Look at this. Look at this
They
defense.
help each other out and then tremendous athleticism. That was a clean block.
Struggle to hit his outside shot.
Wilkins into Ewing with the double team. Wilkins alone. That's a 3.
No offensive rebounding, though.
Nance from Price.
Oh, wow.
Cleveland against Portland with 3 straight at the Memorial Coliseum in Portland after getting the
Good defense, Pip.
What they do, they are very unemotional. There's not a lot of French pastry on
Jordan
the
is
things
pounding
that they do.
Steve
They
Smith.
play great defense. They create extra opportunities.
See the time remaining in the half.
Good good help, Mike.
losing 5 of the last 8 games, so Boston
This
was
is
able to
incredible,
win. They were
bro.
red hot at the end. They had very few
Pippen.
over the elite teams. They were dominated by the likes of Chicago and
Get that out of here.
Armstrong has a 4-on-2.
Got it.
Dorsey, played by Pippen. Duckworth now being guarded by King. Kersey.
Just look at the way this highlight right here. Just look at the way they're moving and just in mirroring what the offense is doing and switching. This is beautiful defense. This is like art. This is art. Look at this. Look at the way the defense is moving.
Duckworth now being guarded by King.
He knows someone's open now. Look. King jumps out. That's just the way. That's incredible defense.
Be very careful here. You got that right. There's the turnover. Jordan.
Action in the backcourt. Yes, he had some trouble handling the ball on Thursday night.
Joe, that's just great defense, man.
Well, the Bulls have come up with so many of these big defensive plays to save.
And 14 penalties, but averaging 8 rebounds a game in the series.
Moments back, we saw Michael Jordan coming to block this shot, and notice he comes inside, left hand out. That avoids the body contact. If he would have come...
There's 3, then field goals 2 on the night.
Look at Pippen.
3 to shoot. Mason had a shot. He didn't want to take it.
They got them all
Steps up there
flustered.
and makes 2 major free throws.
Knicks by 6.
Trap action here by
at
Chicago.
Jordan.
Bring out a timeout.
McDaniel with a good save, and then he gets trapped immediately. Finds the opening. Ewing missed it.
It was a good way to get out of that trap, though. I ain't gonna lie. Jordan. Look at the reaction on Jordan. That's crazy, bro. Look at this.
Struck by Jordan. 3 on 2. Pippen. Now Drexler being guarded by Hanson. Dorsey then on the switch.
Good defense.
Loose ball
City here in the Midwest tonight. Bulls by 6, 6:16 to go.
Pippen. Damn, Horace Grant and Pippen. Look at the way Horace Grant and Pippen react to this. Horace came faster. Look at Horace.
6:16 to go. Ewing has it hammered, but the loose ball goes back to Wilkins.
Win these 3 games against the Bulls on
Good jump out,
They won
Jordan.
it on hustle, heart, and
Good defense, Jordan. Entry pass and post defense.
as liberally as he is.
A sluggish start by the defending champs.
Oh, wow.
Paxson ahead to Pippen. Blowing pass right.
And a dunk.
And look, the initial offense, it wasn't there. Now they're going to use some clock. That's a smart play. Wasn't there. Don't take a quick...
Successful in doubling up on Mark Jackson on Thursday night in Chicago.
Look at that defense. Pippen. Again, that defense was good for the time because basketball was not positionless like it is now, and everybody didn't shoot threes. Obviously, in today's NBA, they would play more like OKC. They would be up on the man in his chest. Jordan and Pippen had this athletic ability and reaction time where they could sag off a man just in case he shot. They would be long enough to contest the shot. So they were freaky athletic and had great IQ time. I like that steal, though.
In doubling up on Mark Jackson on Thursday night in Chicago as a steal by Pippen. And here comes Pippen.
Hardy inside with Pippen on him. Hardy should go right to the front. Now the double team from Purdue. That's weak.
Ew.
Clyde knows he had to come up on him, so he sucked him in that time.
Good entry defense.
There's 34 points and 6 blocks. That's the first time Scottie got all the way to the basket, though.
McDaniel bumped Pippen on Grant. The Bulls have 4 team fouls. Knicks with 3.
Oh, good denial by Pitt.
McDaniel with the spin.
We thought all happy now, satisfied with little jump shots.
5 seconds to shoot. Sanders with the ball. He's going to have to force it.
Good post D.
Well, you see, though, New York is just not letting Chicago get all the way to the basket.
McDaniel trying to draw the foul from Pippen, but not
tried.
For long shots mean long rebounds now, Bob.
Jackson for 3. Brick.
Bulls 27. And the Knicks 19. McDaniel posting up and faces up.
Jordan on Smith.
Good defense.
Defense when you're
Good post D.
Pippen even could have dribbled in and taken about a 10-footer.
They want to get it down low.
Now they're working Williams down.
Damn!
Pippen with the block. 4 of 6 from downtown, and the 4.5 for an NBA Finals game. That's Jordan with the steal. Eluding in.
Jumper.
Yes.
The pressure defense is down right now.
Knicks with only 7 in game 1.
Damn.
Now 4 seconds.
Good defense.
Away. Pippen, Jordan Armstrong.
Ew. The way Jordan moved the ball. That's crazy, bruh. Good pass, Russell. Good defense, Scottie.
Challenge. Sometimes he wants to take it personally. He's got to run this team.
You want to spin?
Chicago in the midst of a 6-0 run here at the start of the 4th. Pippen jumping out, nearly came up with a dance, is rejected.
4 points, and the Bulls, or the Knicks did, and the Bulls to 16 points in game number 1.
Good defense, Mike.
Fouled hard, no whistle.
Well, if that's the tone, then it has been set because Michael got away with a foul.
Ew.
With the bad hand. When he goes outside, Price is struggling now with the bad ankle. Can't escape.
Good. Oh my.
When he goes outside, Price is struggling.
Look at this
now with
steal.
the bad ankle, can't escape. And D'Lo being guarded by Jordan.
Force in the game this afternoon. He has 18 points, but his presence has not been felt. Pippen with the rebound. 2-on-1. Armstrong for King.
Oh, good defense. Good pass. Transition defense. Okay.
On fire. It's the first miss for Michael in a while, and Brian Shaw right back for the Heat.
Yeah, that was good transition defense.
See, Cartwright feels very comfortable playing against him, although that shot was blocked because of all the years away.
Back for the Heat.
Yeah, that was good transition defense.
See, Cartwright feels very comfortable playing against him, although that shot was blocked because of all the years of practicing each other against in New York.
Jordan knocks it out of bounds.
Pippen rejected. McDaniel.
Price knocked it out of Michael's hands. Then deflected from Grant to Price. 4 on 3. Elo steps up.
Good defense.
What a play. Great play. Price cut for Elo.
This is unbelievable.
They have yet to hit a field goal. Hit 8 out of their first 10 shots the other night. Pippen with his second steal.
Pippen with the tip. Buck Williams with the rebound. Very aggressively. And Buck thought he was fouled. Pippen.
Oh, yes. They everywhere, bro. They everywhere.
Now it's Jordan again coming up with
Look at this. These last two. Look at this. Pippen.
Thought he was fouled. Pippen.
Now watch Mike at the Pippen great play.
Now it's Jordan again coming up with a steal.
Everything, everywhere, all at once.
On the post.
Good defense by the Knicks. The Knicks was a great defensive team too.
By Ewing.
I did a video about the 1992 Knicks. Oh, good defense, Mike.
Ewing to Jackson, 3-on-1.
That's just great defense, bro. This series was just defense. Look at the defense. Grant and Jordan.
And Percy not able to hold on to that pass.
And that's the threat of Michael Jordan being in front of
Is
him.
he gonna hit it?
On the way to the basket.
Missed the layup. Rebound Edwards. Nice
Great
pass
defense,
to Long.
Pippen.
Good block.
Ewing, the rebound. He has 10.
Oh, wow.
Jackson struggling tonight. 2-on-1. Wilkins, Ewing,
Ew.
off.
Patrick Ewing thought so. He looked at Joey Crawford and said, so let's see it.
Sure.
To me, like he got him on his wrist.
And rebounded by Brandon. The alley-oop off the mark, intended for Nash. Elo fires down.
Ew.
And Pippen for 3. Blazers wanted a break, they could not. And then
Good
Pippen got a
defense,
piece of it.
Pippen.
Pippen throws it away. Mark Jackson to Wilkins. Stripped away by Jordan. Hesitated on the shot, didn't get it. It won't be long before Phil Jackson will make a decision to make a change at center. You can almost
Look how quick they, when somebody get in the paint, look how quick they start jumping.
It won't be long before Phil Jackson will make a decision.
Look at this.
Center, you can almost
They ready.
Purdue with the bad pass.
Defense. Tex Winters used to say it was like letting the Dobermans loose when Jordan and Pippen played defense like this. Look at that defense. But you could throw Grant in there. Grant was a long, athletic defensive player too. And those are the ones Jordan worked on anyway. Good defense. Look at Mike.
In every phase of the game, first the bucket.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. This is beautiful. Attacking passing lanes. Oh yeah, this should be good. There's gonna be a lot of breakaways probably.
They did shoot 454. Mainly they shoot threes for spacing.
Got it.
Having trouble with the press.
Jordan, bang out.
Smart play to pull it out. 12-8, 7:15 to go in the first quarter.
Got it.
Behind the board. And there's Jordan stepping into the passing lane, and the Bulls are running. Nice.
Ew. Good defense.
Okay, let's see what we got here. Not go so fast.
Jordan, wow.
Happen to agree.
Good defense.
Jordan with the steal and then flips it out to Grant.
Ew, Grant, got it. That's a great layup.
Jordan on him.
Got it. Bang out. Bang out.
Stays on the floor. If he gets no shots, no productivity, then he sits back down on the bench and someone goes.
Good defense.
Hasn't hit one tonight. 0 for 6. All of his points have come from the line. Jordan knocks it out with 22.
Rebounded by Williams. Jordan with the intercept. Jordan with the bucket.
Look at his defense, bro.
Jordan knocks it out with 22. 0 for 6. All of his points have come from the line. Jordan knocks it out with 22.
Passing lane, transition. Look at his defense. Bang out. Unbelievable.
Made enough of him in his career that he feels comfortable taking him, and so does Rick Adelman.
Crowd wanted to travel. Pippen.
Damn, I didn't even see Pippen there.
Scott Williams up. Scottie Pippen and Grant. 3 minutes.
Good defense. Oh, wow. Jordan, Pippen, and Grant. All three of them. Pip came out of nowhere. Pip defense crazy. Good defense, Pip. Oh, good passing. Oh. Damn, Pippen. The long arms of the law. Good defense, Jordan. Good defense, Pip. This is going to be a Pip miss me, Jordan dunk. Pip back dunk. I remember that.
He was just maybe trying to say, hey, guys, we're going to not lose any more close games.
Damn.
We got to end this series.
Oh, beautiful play by Pippen. And he goes.
Drexler didn't know who to go to.
Cycling on the rebound.
Got it.
Stolen by Jordan.
Great defense by Jordan and Pippen.
6 rebounds tonight for Jordan. He's been averaging 10.5 a game.
Back in 1976, and the terrific regular season.
Look how Jordan started. Look how Jordan started to go out, and then saw that. I don't know who it was. Saw that passing had him. So Jordan rerouted. Jordan rerouted when he saw that passing had him.
Paxson with the steal. Paxson with the lead.
Was it Paxson with the steal or Pippen with the steal?
And the terrific regular season, they won 57.
Pippen with the steal.
Paxson with the steal. Paxson with the lead for Jordan. He's fouled.
Good defense. Look at how they switch.
Switching for Drexler.
Ew.
Chicago by 2. Jordan with the steal. Pippen.
Mike goes, I'm inside guarding the post. And he gives it a distance for Bimbo Coles to throw the ball.
Good pass ahead to McDaniel.
Good defense.
Whoa. Greg Anthony's foot was on the line there. Get a little bit of break.
Oh, Pippen came back.
Stolen by Pippen.
That's a flagrant foul.
Jordan will hang in. 7 on the 24.
Look at how they switching.
Steal by Jordan.
Bang out. Look at how they switching. Look at how the Bulls are switching.
7 on the 24.
That's incredible.
Steal by Jordan. Michael Jordan with the steal. Several of those were tips and putbacks. He had played so well the other game. Jordan off the steal. The triple pump. Yes. It's 74-53.
Damn.
Portland turnover.
Got it. Damn.
A minute 40 gone by in the third quarter.
Look at the way they play defense. That's crazy. Bang out.
Just under 5 minutes remaining in this fourth quarter. And they got the defense.
Some of the most incredible defense that you will ever see. Michael Jordan, Scottie Pippen, and I'm going to throw Horace Grant in there too. And the rest of the players, the way that they played on the string and helped each other out, that was absolutely beautiful. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that defense down below. And have any of y'all had the pleasure of watching Jordan and Pippen's career? Because I watched most of it. Yeah, absolutely mind-boggling defense. It's artwork to me. I love doing defensive videos. So there will be more to come. As always, the pleasure will always be mine. The reaction, well, that belongs to y'all. I love y'all. Peace.